So today's the day, actually here in 5 minutes. I just want to record a before and after. So I have masked off everywhere that needs to be masked off for the paint. All the way from the front to the back. And the side again. All the way around. So there's a trick that I was told to go ahead and paint it white again, one single coat of white, so that way the paint will go, the white paint that's base of the RV will creep into the line so it doesn't bleed, so you don't get that bleeding effect with the other color. So that's what I'm going to quickly do. I'm going to quickly do a white coat one more time. And hopefully that trick works, so the silver doesn't bleed through the paint, through the masking tape. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and paint this white, and whatever paint is left over, I'm gonna paint the storage pod. I just started. I ran out, so. Okay, so I got my mask on. I got the first silver coat down. It's pretty freaking good. So there's the first silver coat compared to the white. Yeah, it's not. Oh, it looks different. I mean, it looks pretty much close because I got the brown paper separated. But as soon as I take the paper off, you'll see the difference. I think it's going to look revealing, pretty nice. I can't wait. I got to put one more coat and see, and then pull the paper off before I let it completely dry. I did get some spots here. I don't know if you can see that. I did wet sand it down a little bit. It's smooth now. Before it was kind of rough to the texture. Right here, I don't know what happened. I know I cleaned it down before I painted it. I don't know if it was the paint, because it does have some pearl in it. So I don't know if it, I don't know. Maybe there's a little pool of pearl that spit out all at once. I'm not sure, but I went ahead and sanded it down, and hopefully the second coat will cover that up a little bit. Yeah, it feels nice. And let's see here, all the way over here. Holy crap! It's gonna look decent. Here's the back. So I can't wait to put the second coat on real quick, and then reveal it. I'm using my cell phone. If not, I would have used my 4K camera. So you can tell how silver, how shiny it is on the tape. But yeah, I just don't want to bring out my 4K camera out here with being painting and all. So here's my I'm just using my phone for this one. All right, so let me get the second coat on, and we'll be right back. All right, here. Well, you can see somewhat of the reveal. So, look at that. Nice. No bleed through. I mean, look. Crisp. I'll have to get the 4K, but crisp line. Yes. Anyway, let me pull this off and I'll be right back.